All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Saturday. James here, and I want to do a small account recap. I know it has been quite a while since I touched on this. That is partially due to the fact that I have been extremely sick for like 2.5 weeks, and the trading I did do wasn't that great. So I didn't trade for a little bit, traded a little bit, and then got, caught back up and back in the game, and we're doing pretty good. We did decide that instead of doing daily recaps, I am going to do just weekly recaps, which will be done either every Friday or Saturday. Excuse me. So I'll just end up touch basis on the trades I made through the week, the profit and loss, and kind of where we're standing. This one, not so much, just due to the fact that it has been about 10 days since I recapped. And there's just too many trades to go through to explain each one. But I will start at least trying to explain the trades every Friday, or if I do a recap, due to a good or a bad day in between. But so really quick, I just kind of wanted to touch bases here. As you can see right now, we are all cash in the small account challenge. We are actually up to $1,325.67. If you remember, we started with $1,000 and we actually dropped down to about $285. So I sort of want to rename this small account challenge to the $300 challenge, because almost immediately we took the 1,000 and had bad trades and got down to $300. And as of today, or yesterday, end of day, I was up over $1,300. So I did grind. We did great. We got a couple of good winners, and that helped out a lot. And we're now up over the original starting balance and at a profit of about $325. So I feel fairly confident. I believe we will hit the 5,000 marker before the end of the year. That's the ultimate goal, but that could change. So one of the big winners that we had was some Costco calls that I did swing trade for about a day or two, and I hit a huge profit, 60%. It made over $200. So that helped, that pushed me. If you remember, I had a real hard time getting above the 500 mark for a while. I'd get above, fall back down, get above, fall back down. So this Costco trade put me above the 500 marker and really got me going. So we ended up, I got in a rhythm. I sold that, made like a $200 profit. A couple of days later, I got back into Costco and I made another $200 profit on those trades. So Costco, actually really helped out. Now the account balance has been up. I've been able to trade some larger stocks, Costco, Apple, Tesla, and we're getting 10-20% winners, 75, 50, $100 winners. So that's really helping. We're able to do anywhere between 3 and 5 trades a day, or multiple contracts, 2 to 3 trades a day, and we're actually able to swing trade as well as get some day trades in. So we are doing really good. We got it going. Just to give you a little look on where we're at, here is the journal that I have for it. You can see this is where we started, and this is what I'm talking about. I had some big losers right here, and that's what dropped us down. So pretty much $300 challenge started here, literally 2-3 days into the trading. But we got the rhythm going, and eventually it became more green than red and bigger greens than the reds. So we are doing really good, and I've actually only lost 2 trades in the last 10 days. So we have a good rhythm going. It is working. Members in chat are just nailing these profits, getting bigger ones than I am getting. So congratulations there. But that's where we're at. So we are actually on Friday was the completion of day 50. So not too bad, right? In less than 2 months, we went from 1,000 to 285, back up over 1,300. So don't let nobody tell you you can't trade with $300, because I am living proof. It is doable. It is very, very hard. but it is very much doable. So I'm glad you guys are following me. I will do my best to get some updates out. Some of the good winners, I'll recap specifically on those trades. Otherwise, we'll just touch basis every week on how we're doing. So on that note, have a fantastic weekend, everybody, and I'll see you Monday morning.